If you're feeling anxious or stressed out about money as though you don't have enough of it, there are a few things that you can practice to cultivate the abundance money mindset. So in the spirit of Thanksgiving, I want to share with you 4 tips that will help you practice the abundance money mindset to aim to invite more money into your life. And if you enjoyed this video, please do share with a friend, and let's spread the spirit of gratitude during this holiday season. 1. Create a gratitude list of all the things that you're thankful for in your financial life. There's nothing wrong with wanting more, but it all begins with appreciating the things that you do already have. And there are an abundance of things to be thankful for that you may be taking for granted. For example, having a place to sleep, so being able to pay for your rent or mortgage, having food on the table, being able to afford gas to put into your car to get you exactly where you need to go. And don't forget your morning Starbucks runs. So write all of these out and you may surprise yourself. 2. Be flexible in your financial goals, and this allows you to not beat yourself up if you don't achieve a specific financial goal. Instead, focus on the things that you can be in charge of or that you can change. For example, it is up to you to either start contributing or increase your contributions to a retirement account or an investment account. You also have the ability to decide to cut down on expenses, as hard as that may be. So focus on the things that you can be in charge of, and don't feel too hung up on a financial goal, especially if you don't achieve it. And 3, create your money mantra to remind yourself that there's an abundance of money out there in the world. A phrase that I like to use is, I can always make more, whenever I part with money, and it reminds me that I'm not limited. And by repeating your money mantra on a consistent basis, you'll feel more reassured, more confident, more relaxed about money, and it allows you to open yourself up for more opportunities and possibilities. And 4, last but not least, be generous and spread the wealth. You can donate to your favorite charity or be generous to your friends, family, or even a complete stranger. Next time you're at Starbucks, you might want to pay for the coffee for that's for the person next to you in line. There's something really rewarding about using your own money to help others. So those are my 4 tips to cultivate your abundance and money mindset. I'd love to hear what you're thankful for, or if you've practiced gratitude and what that's affected in your life. For me personally, whenever I practice gratitude, I do see a positive impact, not just in my money situation, but in my personal and business life. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe. There are more money tips coming your way, and I wish you all a wonderful Thanksgiving holiday.